So if you consider all the ways of rearranging these letters, there are more ways to draw the C's not next to each other versus next to each other. I mean, they ask so that the C's are separated by at least one other letter, meaning the C's are not next to each other. Well, it's easier, as I was saying, to draw out the scenarios in which the C's are next to each other. So what we want to do is total minus scenarios in which the C's are next to each other. So the total would be, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, so 6 factorial, but there's 2 identical C's. So divide by 2 factorial. This is in my lesson on combinatorics. Now we have to subtract out the scenarios in which C's are next to each other. So just draw it out. It could be there, 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 there. Now it isn't any different if we have the C's switch with each other. That's the same. You can't tell the difference, so we don't do times 2 or anything. But now we have to fill in the ways the other letters could be next to each other, because it could be like CCILE, CCRLE, you know. So there's we've accounted for 2 letters here. There's 4 letters left for this slot, and 3, 2, 1. And that's going to be true in every case here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows times 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24 times 5 is going to be 120. And 6 factorial over 2 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 over 2. So 6 times 5 is 30, times 4 is 120, times 3 is 360. 360 minus our 120 here gives us 240.